By the end of this video, I'm able to convince you to get aloe vera gel in your skincare routine. If you have oily skin, dry patches, dull skin, acne, or anything in between, you need to have this powerful ingredients in your skincare routine. Hey, hi everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, and on this channel I simplify the skincare process for you. Today I'm talking about one of the most underrated products when it comes to skincare, and that is aloe vera. Aloe vera is packed with hydrating, soothing, and brightening properties, which makes it very excellent for all skin types and all skin concerns. And the skincare industry being concerned about all of us getting aloe vera in our homes or easily accessible, aloe vera is now packaged in this beautiful aloe vera gel package, as which you can all get it wherever you are in the country. Aloe vera is made in 99% water, which means it's very hydrating, deeply hydrating for those with dry skin. It also has this calming and soothing effect, which makes it very good for those with sensitive skin, sunburned skin, or damaged skin. It is rich in antibacterial properties, which makes it very good in fighting acne and acne-causing bacteria. So if you have acne which keeps coming up, you don't know where it's coming from, you can get your hand on this aloe vera gel product. So if you have oily skin, let me show you how to use this aloe vera gel product or this aloe vera in order to control excess oil production. If you have oily skin, you do not want to use products that are oil based. You want to use water based products, and since aloe vera gel contains 99% of water, this is a perfect option for you to use. Also, aloe vera gel helps to tighten your pores. So once your pores are tightened, it's going to reduce the amount of excess oil that is going to be spilled on your face, which leads to that oily look on your skin. You can use it as a moisturizer on your face only at night, so that your skin is going to get the best benefit of it, because during the day you are busy, you are going up and down, you are sweating, so you are basically going to sweat the aloe vera gel off. So use it at night when you are done having your bath and you've settled down for the night, you're just about going to bed. Use this as a moisturizer on your face only at night. You can also use the aloe vera gel as a soothing face mask on your skin 2 to 3 times a week, so that your skin can first get the entire benefits of the gel since it's sitting and resting on your face, and then the calming properties also since the mask is on your skin and you are just indulging in some relaxing time. So for those with dry skin, let me show you how aloe vera gel can immensely benefit you. Aloe vera gel is 99% water, and because your skin is lacking moisture or hydration, you need that moisture intake or extra water in your skin. And the aloe vera gel provides deep hydration for your skin. It also reduces itchiness, because sometimes when your skin is excessively dry, it tends to itch. So if you have the aloe vera gel on your skin, it's going to reduce the amount of itchiness you might be feeling. And the correct application of the aloe vera gel for those with dry skin is just as with those with oily skin. So whether you have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, this aloe vera gel benefits all skin types. Do you use aloe vera gel? Let me know in the comment section how you use the aloe vera gel in your skincare routine, so that somebody can learn a few tips for their skincare routine. So if you found this video helpful and I finally convinced you to use aloe vera gel in your skincare routine, do give this video a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment, your questions, your suggestions into the comment section. Do turn on the post notification bell if you haven't turned it on already, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.